Hi everyone! Today we're diving into the DRY principle in Unity, which stands for Don't Repeat Yourself. It's a concept that helps us avoid duplicating code, making our projects easier to manage and update. Let's see why it's useful and how we can apply it. Imagine you have several scripts that all handle health for different types of objects. In this bad example, we have three separate scripts: one for the player, one for enemies, and one for trees. Each script has similar code for handling health, taking damage, and dealing with death. Even though the scripts look similar, if we need to change how health works, we have to update each script individually. This is time-consuming and error-prone. Now, let's improve this with the DRY principle. We can create a base class called Health that contains the shared code. Each specific object, like the player, enemy, or tree, will then inherit from this base class and only implement the unique parts. In this good example, the Health class handles the common functionality, setting the current health, taking damage, and checking if the object is dead. The specific behavior for dying is defined in each derived class. This way, if we need to tweak how health works, we only change the health class or the specific die methods as needed. So, why is DRY so beneficial? It reduces code duplication, makes maintenance easier, and helps prevent bugs. If you ever need to update or fix a bug, you do it in one place rather than in multiple scripts. By applying the DRY principle, your project will be cleaner, more efficient, and easier to manage. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!